Welcome viewers, in this video I am going to show you how a canoe breakfast looks like at St. Regis Resort in Bora Bora. It is our second day at St. Regis Bora Bora and we are waiting for canoe breakfast. Canoe is going to come and dock here at the lower deck and the food is going to come through the front door. Canoe is coming. Good, thank you. What is cool about this canoe breakfast is they take us around in the water on a canoe ride. While we are enjoying the joyride, they are setting up the breakfast in the patio of our villa. spread is very elaborate, just like a grand feast in paradise with lot of food.
And 3.
Mania.
One tip here, you have to make sure that you pre-arrange this canoe breakfast way advance in time before you arrive here. Another pro tip here, if you are a vegan, then you are at the right resort. They have enough choice for vegan diet. We have one member vegan. Passion fruit. Thank you. Maururu.